If you're applying to dental school through AADSAS or the Texas Dental School Application Service, and now you're wondering how to send your DAT score to the application service or to specific dental schools, you're not alone because it's a tricky process. But that's exactly what I'm gonna walk you through step by step in this video to make sure you send your DAT scores to the dental schools or to the dental school application service the right way to make sure they receive your DAT scores. If you're new here, I'm Dr. Andrew from Predenting Dental School Admissions Advising, where we help you get into your dream dental schools by helping make sure your application shines and stands out from the crowd. And now let's dive into how to send your DAT scores out. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to ADA.org and then go up into this education tab and select DentPin. Once we've done that, we need to sign in using your DentPin. So we'll go there and then sign in using the DentPin and password that you created when you originally went to sign up to take the DAT. So then once you're logged in to your DentPin account on ADA, what you want to do is you want to navigate to the top right of the page and click Send Scores. And then what you want to do is select your DAT score. And then you're going to get to this page. And this is the page where firstly it shows all the dental schools that your DAT score was already sent to. So if you had previously selected your DAT score to be sent to a specific dental school, that's already going to be checked marked like it is for me. For example, I already selected my score to be sent to Creighton and East Carolina and Marquette. However, the schools that you had not previously selected to have your DAT score sent to will be empty boxes, just like you see here. And we can go ahead and then check those boxes that we want to send our DAT score to. You cannot uncheck the box that you had previously sent your DAT score to, even if you wanted to. For example, I'm trying to uncheck the box for East Carolina University and it does not let me. So it's not like you can accidentally send your DAT score out to the same school multiple times. The other thing to note is if you came here looking for how to get your DAT score sent to the dental school application, AADSAS, or the Texas Dental School application, TMDSAS, the way that your DAT score gets sent to those dental application services is as long as you selected your DAT score to be sent to any one dental school on this list, then your DAT score is automatically going to be sent to AADSAS and TMDSAS if you're applying through TMDSAS automatically. It just takes a couple weeks for that to happen after your test date. And that's what it also says right here. That's how that happens. There's not a specific AADSAS or TMDSAS that you're going to check here. That is not how it works. As long as your score was sent to one school, it automatically gets sent to AADSAS or TMDSAS. And to go through and finish the process of sending our DAT score to schools, what we'll do is we'll just select a couple schools that we want to send our score to, and then we'll scroll down and hit next. And then this is the opportunity where you can specifically choose to send your DAT score request to someone's email. I would say for 99% of you, you do not need to do this unless you were instructed by dental school specifically to fill this part out. In other words, for most people, just skip this step. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to consent that once you have finished this request, there's no refund or there's no really going back. Once you select this process to happen, the ADA is going to send your scores to that school and there's no going back. And then finally, you'll get to this payment page where you'll see that it costs you $50 per school to send your DAT score to if you had not already done so. And from here, all you do is pay and then your DAT score is going to be sent off to the schools that you just selected.